So it's happening, quick change of top, got some long sleeved on-ish, it's like a 3/4, but I've never had a problem with it before at other track days. I've always wore this t-shirt and they've been fine with it, so got my condom, spot my head, cheap ass helmet. These are actually really good helmets, and I mean I'm in a car so I'm not really bothered about it being a crap helmet, it's just to stop me from banging my head around in here. And if I roll the car, I'm more bothered about my back than I am my head. Do you know what I mean? Like, but I bought this helmet. It's a THH helmet. It's primarily made for motorcycle use, but 30 quid. So it's like a renting one where you pay 10, 20 quid to rent it. Anything from 10 to 20 quid to rent a helmet. Might as well buy one for 30 quid. So that's what I'm running. I've got the sparkle gloves as well. I don't know if I'm going to wear these because this particular steering wheel is not suede, and I think these gloves are made for a suede wheel. I don't know actually, I do feel like it. I'm just fucking pissed off that I'm in the daily stock EM1. But this is, you don't need a fucking nice car to go on a track. You can have fun on a track with a fucking daily Peugeot 106. I mean, there's a fucking Daihatsu Sirion in front of me and there's a Suzuki Alto going around at the minute. They have track tyres on there, wide boys, sticky meats. Looks like they're rocking Nankang AR1s for the Sirion in front of me. Sirion? I don't know what the fuck it is. But yeah, the first one's going to be like an outing lap, and then I get 3 goes, which I've paid for 10 quid. It was 20 quid for unlimited runs all day. If I was in the red EG, I'd be going for a competitive time because that is what it's fucking made for, and it won AD08Rs. So I'd be like, who's got street tyres on in this list? I'm going to fucking beat you. Do you know what I mean? I'm going to try to. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can record it. I'm just going to be quiet about my phone. I'm going to leave it on dash. I'm going to point it forward. I'm just going to fucking leave it recording. Hopefully I get away with it. But yeah, just a fun running this.
What's your number?
19, mate.
You alright for me to talk in that?
Oh yeah. Sound, mate.
Front or rear?
Front wheel drive, mate, yeah. You know it's official when they're sticking chalk in your window, boys.
Once you start, you like.
So yeah, a bit mad. Another 2 runs left. Yeah, really good so far. Quite enjoying it. Forgot to turn it off then. See the Z 240Z having a sighting lap like I did the first time. I felt as though my first lap was a lot smoother. I'm sure that guy's waving at me in that CRX. But yeah, the nippiest things on this track are the little short wheelbase, like key cars or whatever you want to call them. Madness.
As men, we know that nothing turns a 17-year-old girl on more than a well-executed handbrake turn.
15 minutes now, we'll be back on the live stage doing the Best Club Awards. So that is Best Club Stand, 12 o'clock.
Oh, cool.
Which is 1 second off and 590 brake of Britain.
Yeah, but you would have should drive us.
Got him!
34.4 was my best run.
Yeah.
Sound. How much, mate?
Good man.
See ya.
A few moments later.
Just walking past all the RX-7 stand. Quite like them 3 blue cars over there. Looks like a Dulux colour bar. But yeah, I've just been on track. A 500 horsepower Subaru Impreza managed a 33.9. The stock EM1 managed a 34.4. Very happy about that. Noisy boy. Ooh, that sounded cool. A Sutututu from a Celica. It's absolutely annihilating a Supra on the straight. Interesting. But yeah, so I've really enjoyed that, really good. We're only 10 quid for 3 goes, and you got a sighting lap as well, so you got to have a little free go to get used to it. And then did a little go. I tried ripping handbrake up first time round, and nearly went on grass. And as I went to put my foot on the brake, I think the weight transfer then got the back end to step out, so I just looked stupid and ended up stopping in the middle of the track. I think I've got some footage of that, everyone going, whoa! And then second time round I actually managed it, so I did a bit better then. But yeah, my quickest run, I think it was my last run. The handbrake, I ended up finishing the handbrake in a better position to floor it. But yeah, that was good. Just watching the track now. I'm gonna get you. Just watching the track now. Noisy boy. So yeah, see you in a bit. This Integra's been chasing this GTR for ages now. These guys are definitely having fun. Being like that nose to tail for past 5 laps. Last lap this guy was so close. Oh my lad. Let him past. Look, on straight again. By GTR. Go down inside maybe. Down outside up there. I bet he's so frustrated. These have spread out a bit more now. sideways. Bit sideways. But GTR don't let that integrity pass, is going to end up being an accident. Driver mod required. I think he's finally let him past. You'd be so upset if you spent like 100 grand on a GTR and you got overtook by a 20-year-old Honda Rust box. But that's coming from a Honda Rust box owner. Bit of fake taxi action. You don't know what fake taxi is, bro? You shouldn't have a clue what fake taxi is. I'll tell you. You don't know what it is, do you? Like, you don't actually have a clue. So we're back in circuit. I've got a proper soft spot for these little RX-7s. I love them, they look so cool. Especially when they're doing so well like this one. Those look really cool, that one. Properly nice. Yeah, been watching loads of stuff on track. I think loads of RX-7s are going around now. The noisiest ones. There's a hardtop FC there. Nice hardtop FC. Really like FCs. I don't know which one I prefer, whether it be an RX-7 FD or FC. It's a fake taxi. I don't know how I know this, but it's like I do have a soft spot for a good livery. Noisy boy. A very noisy boy. Look how crazy this is. It's got like AYP racing brakes on the front and it's proper wide. It just looks mental for a micro. It's got like a proper serious like hands seat in it. Hydro brake. Fuel cell. Blocked off headlights. Fiberglass bonnet by the look of it, or maybe just extra catches. It definitely looks fiberglass actually. It's got rear discs and calipers. It's a proper rally car. But it's got T1R road tyres on it. Mad. So this is the field where they throw everything together. If you want to park in field, you can. And they just give you all the space. Like sometimes they branch out over there a bit, but they give you all this space. You go in through the tunnel down there, I believe it is. And yeah, you can just join a group of cars, usually of the same mark, in field, so that people can view your car as well. I wonder if these are off on track or if they're just going into the centre. Bit of track action still going on. The RX-8 looks well. It sounds awesome. Big wang. Big Supra. okay spec as well with the hood vent. Yeah, Matsus. Roadblock needs to sort those out. Go down here. That's clean. It's very clean. I think this is a CRX I was chasing on track. I'll spin you around. Yeah, I think it is. All stripped out. That's seen some action. Yeah, definitely is. Looks like it used to be silver. And that MX-5 as well, that was on track. That's the same grill as mine, but it's chopped out the centre and put mesh in it. Now that's an idea, make it look a bit nicer. I'm going to spend the rest of today now just wandering around having a look at stuff myself. I'll probably catch up with you guys as I'm off on my way. So I'll catch you in the next video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. See you next time. Bye for now.